Veterinary importance of black flies. You know, the black flies have the role as pest as well as vector in the transmission of different disease-producing agents. As pests, they are associated with whiting and nuisance swarming. As vector, they transmit a wide number of pathogens such as filarial worms, protozoans, and possibly several viruses of different animals. Please follow this piece of information for causal agents of different diseases, their vectors, host, and geographical distribution. Deaths of livestock and birds are resulted due to attacks by the large number of black flies. Livestock under persistent attacks sometimes stampede, trampling young animals, crashing into structures, and so on. Large number of fly even may clog the respiratory passage, impairing the respiration. As a result, animal may die due to suffocation. Death of the animals may also attributed by the respiratory infection caused by the inhalation of flies. Animal may even die due to exsanguination as a result of sucking up huge amount of blood by the black flies. The most common cause of mortality is due to actual biting, or more specifically due to toxemia and anaphylactic shock. This condition occurs due to host reaction to various salivary components that are injected during feeding on the host. This disease condition is known as simulotoxicosis. Next, move to the vector importance of black flies. As mentioned, they transmit filarial, nematode, protozoa, and different viruses of animals. At least 11 species of filarial nematodes under the genus Onchocerca are transmitted by different species of black flies to the domesticated and wild birds. For more information, follow this table. Leukocytogenesis, a malaria-like disease caused by different species of leukocytozoan, are transmitted to domestic and wild birds, especially domestic ducks, geese, and turkeys by different species of black flies. Black flies also transmit different trypanosoma species of birds. Filarial worms are also listed here. Different viruses such as Bania virus, Eastern equine encephalitis virus, and snowshoe hare virus have been detected in several black flies found in North America. Chlamydia infection in sheep and Rift Valley fever virus are also suspected of being black fly-borne infection in South Africa.